What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting up close and personal with arguably one of the most jaw-dropping luxury MPVs to ever come out of Japan. Yes, we're talking about the all-new 2027 Nissan Elgrand Dynasty. So buckle up, let's break it all down. Looking at the front, the Dynasty comes with a bold two-tone finish, sandy beige lower body, gloss black roof, and that contrast is just chef's kiss. The front fascia is clean, minimal, almost sculptural. You've got these sharp vertical LED daytime running lights that almost look like piano keys. Super distinctive. Walking around to the rear, the Dynasty keeps that same visual language. Very flush, aerodynamic tail section. The C-pillar wraps around beautifully into the rear glass, and you've got a full-width light bar connecting the taillights. It's very Tesla Cybertruck meets Japanese luxury coach, which sounds weird but works incredibly well in person. Now this is where things get really crazy. Open that power sliding door and you step into what feels like a private business class cabin. Cream quilted leather captain's chairs, real wood veneer armrests and center console, and ambient lighting that wraps the whole interior in this warm golden glow. Up front, the dashboard is absolutely dominated by a massive panoramic display screen. We're talking a full-width panel running from driver cluster all the way across to the passenger side. So based on what we're seeing, that closed-off front panel, the power flow display, the EV-style alloys, the Dynasty is almost certainly running on a pure electric or plug-in hybrid platform. We expect something in the range of 300 to 400 horsepower from a dual-motor e-powertrain setup, similar to what Nissan has been developing for the Ariya platform, but scaled up. Alright, the big question. What's this gonna cost you? Based on the Alphard Velfire pricing tier and Nissan's own luxury positioning, I'm predicting the Dynasty will open at around $65,000 for the base variant. As for the launch timeline, we're looking at a mid-2027 debut, likely at Tokyo Auto Salon or Shanghai Motor Show, with deliveries starting late 2027 in Japan and early 2028 globally.